In this video I will quickly go through all the TensorFlow basic functions, basic usage of TensorFlow. So if you missed my previous video, then please check on my previous video, and you can get a basic of TensorFlow. And so when we are making variable, we need some constant, and to run that variable, to run that constant, we need some session. So with you are using with tf.session as css on any variable. You can use this, means that this session needs to open, this session needs to close. So within this braces, within this scope, this session will close automatically. So when you result print any operator, like any variable, then you can get the desired output what you want to do. Actually what you are doing is to concatenate two strings, that's it. So like if for example we have one variable a as constant 10 and b as constant 20, when you are adding a plus b, it will not yield any addition or multiplication process what you want to do, because your a and b are not constant like simple integers, they are TensorFlow's constants. So for this you need some session, you need some session to run, and then you can run this session, and within run function you can specify what operation you want to perform. So here you see you can find out result, and beside constant you can also make some matrices. Actually the purpose of TensorFlow is to deal with the tensors is actually matrices. So for matrices we need some operation like to fill to make some matrix of 4 cross 4 with value 10, to make some constant, to make zero matrix array or matrix of 404, to make matrix of 101 1 1, and random normal matrix you can also make using TensorFlow object. So you can see that if I make an array of all the operations I am doing, and then I can run the interactive session, and after that I loop through this array, and it will show you output one by one. So interactive session will run. As a result you can make op within run, and then you will print constant of 10 10 4 cross 4 matrix of value 10, 0 matrix, 1 matrix, random matrix. So you see that using TensorFlow you can make any operation